Hello, Sean Connell, certified lymphologist. One of my clients asked me to do a video on toxins and how we get rid of those toxins in the body and how we help here. Well, we're being poisoned from every angle. Probably number one poison out there that we've got to get rid of is something called glyphosates, which they spray on our fruits, our vegetables, our wheat. Apparently it's in the jabs as well, so we have to reduce that one. The other big one is fluoride. Try and get rid of fluoride as much as possible out of your life. So what happens with when we get poisoned? And this is why we have colds as well. So your body has a cold to get rid of those toxins and poisons as well. So mucus, it will eat up all the surround the toxins, and then you'll get that mucus out that way. So what happens when we get poisoned or toxins in our body? So this is out of the medical textbook published by Dr. Arthur C. Guyton, and explains how the body works. So it's been blown up over 4,000 times and can represent anywhere in your body. So it's in two halves. So this is the good half, which is health and alkaline. This is the bad side, which is inflammation, acidic and disease. So what happens is you have your bloodstream. So your bloodstream is the secret to your life because it's carrying the oxygen nutrition through your body. Then what that does, feeds that oxygen nutrition to your cells. So your whole body's made up of cells, 50 to 100 trillion. So millions of those cells die every second. So because of your DNA, it's programmed to make another one. So when you're in this state here, called the dry state, your DNA is able to reproduce and make another cell. Over here where we have inflammation, you're lacking oxygen, so the DNA will have trouble reproducing another cell. So this is where you get your degeneration happening in the body. So when we get poisoned, what it does, it opens up the capillaries. So this is at the capillary level. You have the veins, arteries, capillaries, and the water, which your bloodstream is 91% water, will come out. So when we get poisoned or take a toxins, it will cause inflammation in the body. Now the only way to remove that inflammation out of your body is by activating your lymphatic system. So you have up to 200,000 kilometers of lymphatic vessels in your body. So that's around the world 3 times, okay? So you have 3 times more lymphatic vessels than you have blood vessels through the body. So what the lymphatic system does, it'll drain all the dead cells, toxins, poisons into the lymphatic system, and then you have lymph nodes. So you have up to 1,000 lymph nodes through the body. Now think of them as like a water filter. So what they'll do is they'll filter all those dead cells, toxins and poisons as much as possible in the lymph node. That's why sometimes the lymph node will swell up. It's just over toxins, but it's breaking it down as much as possible in that lymph node. Then it'll just pass it on to your next lymph node, break it down as much as possible, pass it down to your next lymph node. Keep sending that around the body, the toxins, until all those toxins are back to pure water. So when it's back to the pure water, what the lymphatic system will do is pump that water back into your bloodstream through the subclavian vein at the base of the neck here. So when your lymphatic system's working properly, all the dead cells, toxins, poisons get put back into water, and then that water back into your bloodstream. So your body's mainly water, okay, and water is very important. I'll do a video on water very shortly, actually. So how do we help here? Okay, so we have 5 medical devices that are going to work on you all at once. So your session is equivalent to a 2-hour walk, and you burn over 800 calories in the session as well. So a lot of people like that.